Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook images not loading or Facebook missing codes. First of all, check your spam folder in your email. Open your email or Gmail app, click in the three-line option in the top right, scroll down, click on the spam option and check over there. Next, try switching between networks. Make sure you are connected on a stable network, and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out your network issues. Now, if that does not work, try alternate email or phone. Next, head over to your app store, search for Facebook, and then update your app if it's still available for update. If it is, update it to the latest version. Now, if none of the methods work, just go ahead and restart your iPhone. After restarting, open your Facebook and then make sure it is sending you verification or email codes. Safety tip: never share verification codes. Quick fix: contact Facebook support, and that's it. Subscribe for